There is nothing you can imagine that Lullabot cannot make, because industry is not developed. Here at Lullabot, there are still traditional craftsmen making iron pots. With skills passed down for generations, they can still support their families. Facing this thick iron plate, the master first makes simple marks with a compass. Since workshop conditions are limited, the cutting and dividing can only be done with hammer and chisel. Although the tools are outdated, the clean and precise work clearly shows he is a true master. With more room around the edges, the master trims with scissors. With each cut, a round iron plate no worse than one stamped by a machine is formed. Though it looks easy, only those who have done it understand the hardship behind it. Next comes shaping the iron plates. Before machine assistance, this was considered the hardest step in making iron pots. Manual hammering was time-consuming and exhausting, and very inefficient. Now, a forging machine is used. Apart from being more dangerous, its efficiency is visibly higher. You can see that Lullabot starts forging from the outer ring. After forming the flat bottom shape, he works on the center. With each strike of the forging hammer, the pot shape becomes more refined. The 80-year-old man works flexibly and skillfully. No one would object to calling him a master too. Look closely, he forges 3 pots at once. That's truly remarkable. In less than a year, the large pot shape is complete. Next, the folds at the rim are refined. To avoid delays from wearing sandals, the master made a pair of homemade shoes. They maximize the use of his feet in the process. After this step, the iron pot is about 70 to 80% finished. Then the master trims the rim evenly with scissors. At this stage, the pot already looks very good. Next, he uses a simple lathe to polish the inner wall. He aims to make every pot perfect. Polishing is not the end. There's still one final, vital touch. Before finishing, the master carefully grinds the round-headed iron pin. He then places the pot upside down on it, rotates it, and hammers at the same time. After flipping the pot back, you can see a layer of indentations inside. This makes it look beautiful, and perhaps has another function. Next, without much explanation, 2 handles are added to the pot. They are fixed with rivets. Just a few strikes are enough. Thus, an almost fully handmade iron pot is completed.